Welcome to Texas Honda Channel, everyone. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So today we've got the EF that I recently just traded my EM2 K-swap for. If you haven't checked that video, definitely check it out. And yes, it was definitely worth it. We got a ton of stuff, including another K-swap. Tons of parts and so much more in here. So basically what we're doing today is we're just gonna pull everything out and see exactly what all is in here and kind of go through everything, make sure, see what we want to keep and what we don't want to keep, and then go put it all in the shed. And there's just so much stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera up and basically record us yanking everything out. We'll probably move the car out afterwards just to kind of see what all is here and go over it all. So hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, definitely hit the like button. So here we go. So here it is. We got it, all the stuff out. Those seats were kind of crap, so we took them out. We're just gonna put the better ones in. They're all kinds of nasty and they stink so bad. But it does definitely need everything removed, cleaned out, and probably actually pressure wash it. I know it sounds crazy, but we'll basically make sure all the electronics are covered up and the battery obviously disconnected, and pressure wash all the bad stuff out because it's pretty gross in there and back here. So this carpet smells absolutely horrible. It's just because that window wasn't going up right. We actually had to do a lot to get it to go back on track. But yeah, we're eventually going to take the door panels off and all the interior in here out and give it a really thorough cleaning, because that's what it really needs to start smelling better. We have to replace the carpet. It's just destroyed. It's too trashy to just fix. It actually looks like battery acid ate through it on the front. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. We're gonna go through what needs to go out in the shed, what needs to go in the car, which those definitely need to go in the car. So we're just gonna probably toss those in the car so we know for a fact those are going. And yep, so we're gonna go put you back up so you guys can see an overhead view. Alright, so we got this here. This is all trash. So we gotta get that into the dump. I'm gonna put these seats in for now. Yeah, I know they're ugly brown. I don't like the color, but we can dye them black. Not very hard to do. And then we've got to, we're gonna go ahead and keep the wiring harness computer. Yeah, the wiring harness and computer off this, but the K20 and K20 transmission, it's actually a 5-speed transmission. We did some more digging. This is a K20A, so it's actually a JDM engine, but I like the K24s. You guys might want to disagree with that, but that's fine. But yeah, so we're gonna be selling the engine and transmission, and when I go to do a K-swapped EF, it's going to be a K24. I like torque. As I previously said in my last video, torque wins races, horsepower sells cars. But you might disagree with that too, whatever. So yeah, we're gonna take the wiring harness off of here in the ECU, and then this will be getting sold for $1,000 to the first person who comes and picks it up. So we're gonna clean up a little bit, take that stuff out to the trash, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so we got the car back in here, got everything cleaned out. We ended up putting the K24 in the shed, getting it all locked up and safe and sound out there, out of the elements, so we have room to work in here again. And my brother ended up painting his, the wink mirror that was in here, he took out and he ended up painting it purple. And then as an experiment, we decided we were going to add this purple glitter hairspray and spray it in the air and let the flakes fall down, and it actually came out really nice. It was just a little experiment and it worked, so that's pretty interesting. We didn't spray it directly on, we just let the flakes fall in. But I got some hood pins. We're gonna drill and put them in here because the latch on this thing is all kinds of messed up, and I prefer having hood pins as like a backup anyways, because I've had the factory hood latches break on a lot of Hondas and it smashes the window. And it kind of looks like what happened here, but can't really be sure. But I'm going to be putting the hood pins on, and then my brother's going to be getting some as well. And yeah, it runs pretty good. You can definitely smell some of that bad gas that's still in here, so we're going to have to cycle that. We'll put some BESTLINE in it after we get a lot of that bad gas out and clean the injectors and all that. And then we're going to be painting the bay. It's going to be going this VHT engine metallic. I actually did this in the past on a previous car. I'll try to put a picture up here. But this is burnt copper. Just got it for $9 at O'Reilly's. Got 2 cans. 2 cans is more than plenty. So it's going to have a burnt copper engine bay. And the outside will be getting changed. I like this color, but there is just way too much damage. I mean, these are nothing. These little spots, I could care less. But this is completely chipped off, and it just chips off easy. And it's doing the same up there on the roof, and all kinds of little spots all the way around it. So we're definitely going to be repainting it. I'm not going to tell you the color I'm repainting it yet, but we will be repainting it. The majority of it looks pretty decent. That one doesn't look too good right there. And we got some rust we got to take care of. It's literally just surface, so we're going to hit it before it starts to grow. But it is a 30-year-old car, and I like it. We ended up putting the window wipers on. It didn't have any, and the switch was actually bad. But it came with a switch, so we put it on and they actually work. I'm super happy about that. And it's all tagged, legal.
It's classic.
Yeah, we got classic plates. Me and him both got classic plates today. So I'm excited about that. But yeah, just figured I'd give you some EF content, get a video out for you guys. But there'll definitely be a lot more coming. We're gonna do more of the up high kind of time-elapse style videos, because a lot of the stuff you guys have seen me do as DIY how-tos. So now you're just gonna see the whole progress pretty much come together with a little talking here and there, kind of like I'm doing now, just talking. But yeah, we're gonna do the amber headlights. I love the look. I know a lot of you like it, but a lot of you don't, so it's kind of a 50-50 there. And I'm putting the heater core and all that crap back in because someone took it out. I don't like that, so we're definitely gonna be putting all that back in. But Yeah, strong running D15B, and she's gonna love some boost because she's getting some. As soon as I can afford it, she is getting some boost, and she's gonna love it. She don't get a choice. Lip kits will be getting put on eventually. I'll be painting the wheels, but the lip will be staying polished. I'm not 100% sure on the color. A lot of people like the gunmetal. I like it. It looks good, but I like to make things custom and make it my own.
Get that color on there.
He says I should do it this color. What do you guys think?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that would actually look pretty good. I don't know. It's either that or white.
White
or
gets very fast.
white does get dirty fast. So, but with hydrosilics on it, it won't. So, I don't know. We'll think of something. Leave a comment below. Let me know what color you think would be good. And if you think this looks good, you probably just don't comment about the wheels because
They do look good.
they do look good. I know
They're
that.
STRs.
They are. They're STRs and they look nice. But everything's coming together.
Well,
It's only been day one.
Yeah. Maybe
Literally.
we can get our buddy Anthony to do a custom lip kit for both EFs.
That would be cool.
That'd
Maybe
be
if
really
he's
cool.
watching this, he should message us and say, "Yeah, bro, I could totally do that for you." You know?
Exactly.
But-
Because they don't make lip kits for lip kit for EFs.
They
They
make-
make the front lip, but I'm talking about like a splitter kit.
Yeah, a splitter kit for this
All the
would
way
be
around
sick.
for both EFs.
And then we go to El Paso and go to Garage Built Hondas.
Yeah, with both EFs.
Yeah. That's gonna be fun. And then take it around the course out
Yep.
there. Well, that's definitely some goals, some plans.
Some plans that are in the making, for sure.
Right? It'll definitely be fun regardless of what I do, whether you're into B series, K series, D series. We're here to just build each other up, not tear each other down.
Got the Rona.
He got the Rona. He doesn't, but you know, whatever.
Everything's the Rona.
Everything's Rona. I stubbed my toe. Yes, yep, you got Rona, definitely.
Got in a car accident.
Oh.
Got Rona.
Yep.
It's not that I drive a 30-year-old shitbox.
All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, and we're trying to call it earlier nights now. After that 2 days of no sleep or whatever it was, I can't even remember because I kept all the days got ran into one. So, well, yeah. Follow me on Instagram. If you like the video, hit the like button. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think, and stay tuned. So, as I like to say, God bless. Stay safe. Stay awesome.